Hello everyone, welcome to Question with Answer, and Day 4 for Python Interview Question and Answer for 2025. If you haven't watched previous videos, please watch it. You can find link in description below. So, whether you're preparing for an upcoming interview or just looking to sharpen your coding skills, this video is absolutely for you. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. What is the difference between a mutable data type and an immutable data type? Answer. The primary difference between mutable and immutable data types lies in their ability to be modified after creation. Let's discuss one by one. Mutable data types. Mutable data types can be changed after they are created. This means you can alter their content without creating a new object. Common examples in Python include lists, dictionaries, and sets. For instance, you can add, remove, or change elements within a list or dictionary. Mutable objects are typically useful when you need to make frequent updates or changes. However, because their state can change, they are not safe for use as keys in dictionaries or elements in sets which require hashable, immutable objects. Here is the example of mutable data types. Immutable data types. Immutable data types cannot be changed after they are created. Any modification to an immutable object results in the creation of a new object. Common examples include strings, tuples, and integers. Immutability ensures that the data remains constant, making these objects hashable and safe for use as dictionary keys or set elements. This property is especially valuable in multi-threaded programs, where shared mutable data can lead to unexpected behavior. Here is the example of immutable data types. Key differences. 1. Changeability. Mutable objects can change in place, immutable objects cannot. 2. Memory efficiency. Immutable objects may lead to higher memory usage due to new object creation. 3. Thread safety. Immutable objects are inherently thread-safe, whereas mutable objects require careful management. In summary, mutable types offer flexibility and efficiency for dynamic changes, while immutable types ensure stability and safety in code. Understanding their differences helps in selecting the appropriate type based on the specific requirements of a task. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.